Hello everyone, good morning and good evening. So today I am here with a few more job profiles available for both experienced and freshers. So let's see, without delay, let's go to the topic. So we have job in Hyderabad location, that is from One Controls, electrical engineer, and similarly we have another job profile from Schneider Electric. This is for mechanical engineer, and so we have senior electrical engineer for Doosan Power. This is from Chennai, and we have electrical designer lead for lamp research Hyderabad. So these are the profiles, guys. So let's go into the details for discussing. So what are the experiences required, and what skills you need for performing those job roles properly. And all the links will be available in the description, and you can go through the description and you can go to the link and you can apply for it. And my sincere suggestion is, if you are benefited from these videos somehow, then do support me, like this channel and subscribe to this channel, and share to your friends. Yeah, if you are selected for any job, then let me know your experiences also, so how you applied and all. Yeah, so without wasting our time, let's go to the first job profile we have today. Electrical engineer, One Control, Hyderabad. So what is the job description? What we are going to do in this job? So the ideal candidate will be responsible for implementing electrical components into devices. Whatever the small components are there, you are going to make big devices. They will also help in design and manufacture electrical products of all shapes and sizes. And they should be able to make quality assurance checks in order to keep the product standard high. That is the mandatory thing. And experience, 1 to 2 years experience is required. And responsibilities, what responsibilities you are going to do. And evaluate electrical products and systems by designing testing methods, test finished products and the system capabilities, and keep necessary equipment operational. So these things you are going to do. Contribute to team efforts by accomplishing related results. And what should be your qualification? The qualification for this job is diploma or ITI in electrical engineering or any related field. And strong problem solving, technical and math and science skills are required. Strong written and verbal communication. Yeah, this is one of the job, guys. So if you are suitable for this job profile, then you can apply for it. Already around 60 candidates were applied for this job. So if you are eligible and you have capability, and if you are going to clear all the interview and everything, then the job is for you. Yeah. So what about the next job? So let's go to the next job. So the next job is mechanical engineer. So the position is for Hyderabad location from Schneider Electric. So what is the job description? Let's go to this one. So senior electromechanical engineer and with a design experience. So as a member of a field devices mechanical R&D team, and individual is capable of being a technical lead for product lines in a team-oriented environment to develop and support electromechanical products. And what is your responsibilities? Design of mechanical parts and assemblies and products, and create and revise CAD solid models and layouts, create and revise mechanical drawings, and create and revise bill of materials of products and assemblies, and design for a PED, CRN, ASTM, and pressure safety. So these are some of the things you need generally. And support manufacturing on new product. Whenever you are doing new product, with introduction and sustaining engineering, work with suppliers on purchased mechanical components, and collaborate fluently and comfortably with remote teams in US and Europe. So this is what you are going to do. So what should be your qualifications for performing this task? So the qualifications: bachelor's or master of science in the mechanical engineering or any equivalent, 5+ years of experience in mechanical engineering and design. So these things are required, guys. So experience with industrial field devices, instrumentation and actuators. So this experience is required for you. And ability to lead mechanical portion of design projects. So this is also required for you. And working knowledge of PED, CRN, ASTM, B3 and B31. So these things are required, and pressure safety standards also required. So working knowledge of mechanical CAD tools and practices, Creo is preferred, NX is a plus. So working knowledge of drafting practices, this is required. ANSYS or equivalent modeling tool applies. And knowledge of castings, moldings and machined parts is a plus. Knowledge of hazardous location, NEMA, IP ratings and all a plus. And knowledge of design of flame proof and explosion proof instruments is again a plus. And if you are having all these qualities, all these experiences, then you can apply for this job, and the job is yours. So this is about this, guys. A very good company, Schneider Electric. The location is Hyderabad only. So what is the next company? We are going for a senior electrical engineer role from Doosan Power Systems. This is based on Chennai. So what is the job description? This is the opening for electrical engineer. So or senior engineer also. So they will take both. And what we are going to do? What is the job profile actually? So the prepare sizing and layout of earthing and lighting, and conversant with cable tray routing inside the boiler, and interface with the EPC group for interface with the AHS and ESP, and supporting electrical work of mechanical packages, and preparation of MPS for switchgear, cable, power distribution box, etc. These are also you are going to do. And preparation of electrical load test and interface with the equipment packages. So these are the some of the roles, guys. And you are also going to review vendor documents and get approval from client. So interface with the PDM or client for fast approval, and interface with vendor for expedition of technical documents. So these are you are going to do, and what should be your profile. So for performing all these things, your experience of a minimum 7 to 12 years of experience in the electrical engineering or boiler island. So these things are required. And so this is a contract role. This is not a permanent job, for contract role for 1 year. So the job location is from Chennai, based in Chennai. So this is also a good job, guys. So you can senior electrical engineer. Yeah, if you are interested, then you can apply for this. And job description is available in the this description. So we have one more post for today. So let's discuss that. After that, we will end this session. So the another job profile we have today is electrical designer lead engineer. So the job is for Vadodara location, LAM research. So what they are going to do, and what is the eligibility criteria? The eligibility criteria for this job is bachelor's in electrical engineering with 12 to 15 years of relevant experience. They need 12 to 15 years. And what are the things you are going to do? What is your primary responsibilities? Creating and maintaining medium complex interconnect and its cable assembly drawings of LAM products, and selecting critical OEM parts that meet functional requirements without guidance. So these things are required. Selecting, so exhibit attention to detail and high quality in engineering documentation. So this is mandatory in most of the companies. So and also highlight low high complexity technical risk, and drive mitigation plan during project or technical execution. These things you are going to do. And identifying opportunities to improve design, manufacturability and assembly with a focus on mistake proofing, and identifying possible configuration issues and opportunities for improving the serviceability and maintenance. So this it is almost like a project management, guys. And collaboration with the internal external cross-function teams to prepare detailed design package for complex projects. So these things you are going to do, and you are also accountable for delivering on time with quality as part of key performance indicators (KPIs), as well as consistent improvement in efficiency. So these things are the primary responsibility for you. And the mandatory skills. What is the mandatory skill for you for applying for this position? So 10 plus years of hands-on experience in electrical engineering, CAD tools like Juken or equivalent tool for circuit design and simulation. So this is mandatory for you. And detailed understanding of relevant design standards and compliances like UL 508, IEC standard, semi-standard, electrical bundle guidelines. So these are the things you should have mandatory skills actually. And must have experience in a selection of components like a connector, D-sub or hearting, etc. and back cell, contacts, cable, wire, terminals, heat string, step tube, etc. and 4 plus years of work experience in a technical lead role to mentor peers to meet common goals and objectives, and also successful track record of managing multiple parallel projects and handling process improvements with a demonstrated skill in project management, prioritizing decision making and problem solving in the absence of complete or accurate data. So that is the most of the things. Even though we don't have proper data, we should be able to proceed with our assumptions, and we should be able to little bit correct it when we got all the data. And what are the desirable skills for this position? So knowledge on design considerations, the critical thinking and the troubleshooting of complex electrical CAD design problems, and preparing effort estimates. Knowledge on 3D cable routing in MX or any similar CAD tool. And also knowledge in engineering chain management process. Knowledge on semiconductor products. So this is also required for you. So this is the job profile, guys. So mostly this is for research. So LAM research. This job is for Vadodara location. Yeah. So this is about these job profiles, guys, for today. And if you are interested and if you are eligible for any of the whatever we discussed, then you can apply for it. The link and everything is available in the description. And if you are watching this video till the end, till here, then very good thumbs up for you, like the video. Thank you, bye, we will meet in next video, guys.